Hi class, this is Professor Teixeira. In this video, I'm gonna talk about quotation and sales order. So what is a quotation? A quotation is a legal document in which the customer commits to buying the product. And also this quotation, this legal document specifies for which products, the quantities, the description, how much it's gonna cost, potential delivery dates, everything about that order. Okay, so here is an example of a quotation. Like this is a document, can be print version, can be a PDF version sent through email. So here's the company. Here's, for example, a bike company, bike zone. This is the quotation, like information about the document. And here is information about the payment, which is in dollars. How is the terms of delivery, specific about how the transportation is going to be, who is responsible for transportation. And here's the description. Here's the item code, the material, quantity, how many, the full description, how much is each each product, each unit of the product costs, and then the total value, and then if there is any discount, everything, and the final amount. So this is a quotation, and here is the formal definition. Presents the customer with a legally binding offer to deliver a specific products or a selection of certain amount of products. Okay, so it's a legal commitment from the customer to buying your product. Before submit to customers, the seller must check availability. Do we have these products to deliver? Because that's a question customers are going to ask. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Here is one example of an SAP. This is screenshot is from the SAP software that helps again to manage this sales process. For example, it is a displaying a quotation. Okay, just for you to have an idea. This is the quotation number, and here's the codes for the customer, the net value, and here's more information. And as you saw in the previous slide, here is the item code, the material, and then the quantities here, the description, the dates, and the final amounts. Okay, so just for you to, okay, how does that work in a company? Here's one example. This is a software program. You have your laptop, you access the software, and then you entered all this information before sending the order to your customer. And then this software manages and records and store all this data, and then generates the document that you can send to the customer. So after sending the order, then you have the sales order. You sold the customer. Okay, customer wants to buy. Then you have the sales order. Sales order processing can originate from a variety of documents. For example, quotations is one. You send the quotation, the customer says, okay, I want, and then you have a final sales order. Customer contacts, you call them or send emails to them, and then they want to buy. Existing contract, you have a contract with a company. Let's say you sell to Walmart, and in the contract Walmart wants to buy regularly. It's not one shot, it's not a one time purchase, it's a all year purchase. So every time Walmart, the inventory at Walmart is going down, they want to buy a specific lot of 100 units of your product. So that's based on an existing contract. Then the electronic document that's created should contain the following basic information. The customer information. So what happens is, okay, now that we have the sales order, we have to create in our internal like company documents that records everything, because then you have to know to whom we're selling, to how much we're selling, when we're expecting to deliver, when the customer is expecting to pay. So this is what this is saying. And an electronic document is going to be created in the software that your company is using to record all this information. containing customer information, material, service, and quantity, pricing, specific delivery dates, shipping information, and billing information. Okay. Also, the sales order contains all the information needed to process your customer request, like I told you, like delivery schedule, when it's going to be delivered, shipping point and route determination is going to come maybe from one distribution center or from other distribution center located in different places. Do we have the availability check is, do we have this quantity that this sales order is specifying? Transfer of requirements to material requirements planning. Remember material requirements planning? Material requirements planning is from production planning. If we're planning to produce, then we need to check if we have the raw material to produce this product. And then if we sell to a customer, then we have to go back and plan the production. If we plan the production for this specific sales order, then we have to check if we have the material. Then again, the pricing, and does the customer have credit available to pay? Okay, I'm going to stop this video here, and in the next video, I'm going to talk about delivery schedule. See you in the next video.